Good evening, Miss Maglinaw. Can I ask you several questions about your successful journey?
Yes, of course, it will be my honor.
Thank you po. First question. Who inspired you to pursue your career or passion?
So, from a very young age, I always dream of becoming an engineer. So, it wasn't really anyone in particular who inspired me. I just simply followed my passion and turned it into reality.
Second question. What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
So when it comes to challenges, there's a lot of problem I encountered in my journey, especially during those college days. When we are doing our thesis, we almost fail, but I just stay positive and refuse to give up and seek for guidance from our professor and people around me.
Third question. How did you stay motivated, especially during tough times?
Ano? Ay, ulit-ulit? Ulit yan. Cut
How
mo na
did
lang.
you
Cut mo
Okay,
na lang.
okay. How did you stay motivated, especially during tough times?
So I always do these three important things. First, I seek support from my friends and family. Second, I reconnect with the purpose of my journey. I constantly remind myself why I am doing this. And lastly, I make sure to take a break. So taking a rest is one of, for me, it's one of the important things. So I can start again with fresh mind and body.
Okay. Um, how do you define success and has that definition changed over time?
Success for me is achieving every smallest goal because I believe that it will always lead you with bigger opportunity. Until now, it's still my definition of success because I value progress and recognize the importance of achievements as a stepping stone.
What do you believe is the most important quality of a successful person?
So, as an industrial engineer, Kaizen is one of the most important word for us. So, it's a Japanese terms which means continuous improvement. So, for me, a successful person should have this quality of trying to improve, trying to grow and learn continuously.
Okay. What was the best piece of advice you've ever received?
Uh, the piece of advice that I received when I was in high school is train yourself to see good in every situation.
Okay. What advice would you give to someone just starting in your field?
Just pursue what's on your heart and don't be hard on yourself.
Okay. Last question. If you could go back in time, what one thing you would do differently in your career and why?
Maybe getting more involved in schools and joining clubs because of course, it can provide valuable experiences for everyone.
Okay. Thank you po sa interview po, Messi Ann Maglinaw po.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Welcome.
po.